I said earlier, at the HANA MAUI Resort. Something you need to know that we did not know when we booked this, we used points. So the bungalow that we were in originally was a garden, and it was, that's what we booked on points. And it was a great little room, and it was originally built in the 1940s. The only thing that my husband didn't know is that there is no air conditioning. There was just a screen door and the fan. Being that we're from Florida and we're always hot, we didn't want a non-air conditioned room. So we decided to pay for the little bit of the upgrade, and now we have what they call an ocean view. This room is spectacular. I didn't show you the room that we stayed in Waiala because it was just an ordinary hotel room. You got to see, I think, some of the balcony, but it was nothing spectacular. This is spectacular. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you what I mean. Okay, so you walk up the stairs. I'm walking up the stairs now. There's our entrance, but I wanna show you our little front area. This is our little front area, and this is the view from the front. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around, and I'm gonna go in the front door. And first thing you see is the bed, the desk. There's like a little mini living room area with a chair and a table, coffee table. Over here, there's an eat-in kitchen, and there's a little kitchen area. There is a refrigerator in one of these. Oh, there it is. So there's a refrigerator, a coffee maker, and we've been buying like snacks and stuff for the room, so it's perfect for that. This is amazing. This opens up. We can leave it open, but we have the air on. And then of course the screen door. And look how great this is. We've got a double loungy chair, a table. There's another table over there. Oh, there's two other chairs over there. And then there's our ocean. And then to this just beautiful field. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So let's go back and check out the restroom. So we're coming back in. All right, let's go check out the bathroom. There is a giant tub. Oh yeah, that's much bigger than the other tub in the room that didn't have the air conditioning. There's our sink. There's a bunch of drawers in here if you want to unpack. Toilet's in there. And there is a shower in here. Oh wow, look at that. And I'm thinking, oh, for a second I thought this was an outdoor shower, but it's not. It's just another little area with the air conditioning unit. So yeah, that is where we will be staying, robes, for the next 2 nights. The one thing that we noticed they do not have, there is no television. So if you plan on hanging out and watching TV in your room in Hawaii, bring your iPad or your laptop, because this is a closet, not a door for a television. Good morning. From day 7 of our trip, we are on the east coast of Maui in Hana. I just woke up and I wanted to see the sunrise over the east coast of the water, and that's why we're sitting out here right now. It's absolutely gorgeous. I have not gotten used to Hawaiian time at all. We're 6 hours behind Eastern Standard. So I've been going to sleep at 9 o'clock at night, getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning, getting my full 8 hours. But because I'm getting up so early, it is allowing me to see this. Maybe I should switch my sleeping times at home, even though I don't think that's going to happen. But it is amazing, and I'm just gonna sit here drinking our coffee and enjoy the sunrise from a different perspective. So we came to a local food truck area, lots of food trucks in Hana. That's basically what we've been eating. They have a coffee that you just saw, a coffee stand. and they have macadamia milk called Milkadamia that I didn't know existed. I'm hoping to find it in Florida, but I have a latte with that milk in it and some of the macadamia nut syrup. It's very, very good. So if you plan on staying in Hana, outside of making sure your room has air conditioning, if that's your thing, you need to be okay with the fact that there are limited food options at the hotel. I mean, they have options, but they're extremely expensive. If you want cheaper options, it's food trucks. And so far, they've been pretty good. So we just ordered breakfast sandwiches from the food truck that is right down a path from the hotel. And we actually drove down the street for the other area that has other food trucks. That's where we got the coffees. So there's 2 areas right near where we're staying. I missed. Go on, Evan. Oh, yeah. Oh, I missed again.
Show her how to put it in the knot.
Yes.
So you're gonna take the loop and your knot here, and then you can just untwist the loop here just a bit, and then you're gonna put it through the knot, and then just twist it back, and then now you have a lei. Pretty simple. And if you wanted to add a flower or anything into it, all you would have to do is untwist your lei just a bit and poke the flower stem in there, and then close it, and then the flower will stay in there.
So we just finished making the leis at that class. It was hard. I couldn't record while I was making it, but let me show you the final result. These were leaves that they taught us how to twist into each other and add more leaves as you go along. And so now I'm gonna put them out in the sun to dry. And I'll probably wear mine next to Tiki Fever. Pretty cool. Well, I'm home now because I never finished that video, but there is one more video that you will see for Hawaii. So I thought I'd show you in the end of this video that we did indeed find the milk, how do you even say this? Milkadamia instead of macadamia, milkadamia. We found it. My husband found it at Whole Foods. So now I'm going to show you how to make the exact same coffee that I had in Hawaii. I'll show you what you need. Okay, this is what you're going to need. These 2 you can get at Amazon. So that is going to be the Monin macadamia nut syrup. You're also going to need the 183 France coconut syrup. You can use Milkadamia. I think it comes out better with this. You can also use oat milk, but again, I like it better with this. And then some sort of coffee. And I'm going to use the Honolulu coffee that we got from Hawaii. All right, this is how you do it. If you don't have one of these for your Keurig, you need one. You can make any single coffee that you ever want. You just put the grounds in here. Okay, I'm making my ice, so I'm putting it over ice. There's my coffee. Okay, now you put in just enough so that it gets light. You don't want to overdo it because this does have some sweetener in it and you're going to add more sweetener. All right, so next you're going to need 1 teaspoon each of the coconut and 1 teaspoon of the macadamia nut, and just mix. All right, here's the taste. It might need a little bit more of the macadamia milk. Actually, no. It is perfect just the way it is. It's a little darker than I normally drink it, but it's so good. And of course, you can make it as sweet as you want. So that is the secret to Hawaii coffee when you get home. So on that note, I'm going to end this vlog. The next one after this is going to be our last day in Hawaii. So thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up and I'll see you on my next adventure.